friends, I'm Dev Tarmi. Today I'm going to show you an experiment with sunflower oil and Pepsi. First, we need some Pepsi on this glass and this sunflower oil. Can you see something bubbles like coming up and down? See it? And see some bubbles are going from here to up. I'm going to pour this into this bottle. See? This looks like coral leaf. You know why the Pepsi is down and oil is up? Because of the principle of density. The Pepsi has more density than the oil. That's why Pepsi is down and oil is up. Pepsi is a carbonated drink and this is oil. Now let's see what if you put some water on it. See, nothing happened, but when water came, you see some difference over here. Now let's mix this oil. Wow. So friends, now you understand the water has the same density of the Pepsi and that's why oil is still up. Hope you all like the experiment. I will be doing more videos like this, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will not miss my latest videos. Bye bye.